Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Shonda here, and I'm not gonna keep you long because I'm in a rush. Boo Daddy is taking me out on a date, but I wanted to take a minute just to share with you all my outfit of the night. I am wearing a soft, warm, and fuzzy maxi dress. I have my off-white boots. I'm carrying my navy Coach tote with the white trim, and a girl has to always have her jewelry.
This stylish yet comfy sweater dress is a part of the Allura brand at Shein. Big thanks to them for sponsoring this portion of today's video. The sweater dress comes in this pretty navy, and friends of the twins, it also comes in white. The white is not a white, it actually looks more of an ivory or a cream color.
What I love about this second outfit is that it is two-piece. It is a sweater outfit. I love the color. Y'all know that blue is my favorite color. So this is a soft powder baby blue. Love, love, love. I love this gold accent that is on the sweater, as well as I love the fact that it ties on the side. That's a very feminine touch that I really love. This is an organizer that I actually purchased in Ross. You guys might have seen it in a haul that we did, but I always say you can always do more than one thing with things that you find when you're out. This is the perfect bag for when you're going out and they need to check your purse. All you have to do is put the necessities in here, and you don't have to have them rambling all through your purse. They can just look and see what's in it. So look at that, isn't this cute? And I just think it's the best purse for the night with this outfit. So what do y'all think? Is this the outfit, or do you think I should wear the long navy maxi dress? You tell me.
Cute, 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 easily dressed up or dressed down. Now this one is a part of the Glow Eve Autumn collection at Shein, and it comes in 7 different colors. The sweater material is thick, definitely perfect with a pair of heels or a pair of warm and cozy Ugg boots. Shonda and Boo Daddy were out on a date, and then they went on a little trip together. So this time we were not able to film together, but I did want to share my outfit with y'all. Y'all know I am typically your more comfy, cozy kind of girl. Shonda tends to dress it up, and I will dress it down. This friends of the twins, now this is my kind of dressing. I can throw this on whether I'm gonna be here around the house, or I can throw it on and go out and run some errands, or even if I'm gonna have visitors come by. Miss Ma'am right here, she is definitely that girl. I love how soft and cozy the material is. So Shonda just shared with you our little purses, or what we're gonna be using for purses. These indeed came out of the organization, or it was really more like the makeup area. All of the girly things where the makeup and toiletries, that kind of thing, are in Ross. They were $14.99, but like she said, when we saw them, we saw a dual purpose for these. So it is indeed cute as a little makeup case, but it will be even cuter as a little purse. You know how when you're going to graduations, any of the football games at the arenas, sometimes they want you to carry a clear purse, and so for us this will be absolutely perfect. I don't think this will ever be a makeup carrying case for me. I actually have a really nice one, so this will be a purse, or you might even see your girl use it in some kind of decorative way around here. Like for the holidays, I could actually see myself filling it with ornaments. You can also do a nativity scene or another Christmas scene, easily fill it with some snow and add in some little Christmas figurines. It will be cute, 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 and ready to go. And I'm feeling myself a little bit with this one, y'all. I really, really love it. You know how sometimes you order things or you see things online, then you order them and In the case of winter material, like sweater material, you get it and it's thin, you can see through it. That is not the case with these. We really do love the quality of them. And Shein has made it so easy for us to share them with y'all, and then for you all to go on the site and actually find them. Shein, you can go to the search bar and put in the Allura name or the Glow Eve Autumn, and it will bring up all of the items that they have for that particular brand, and you'll easily find our outfits. We'll make this as easy as possible. We'll have a search code that you can use. You know your girl's going to have a discount code for you. And we'll also put the direct link for each outfit down in the description box below. So Shonda's been all out on dates, and I've been dancing and prancing around the house in my new outfit. But now we're going to switch it up a bit. From To The Twins, we want y'all to join us up at Shonda's house for a little bit of cleaning and holiday decorating. After getting everything all nice and clean, Shonda went ahead and gave a nice refresh to her coffee station. Sweet treats and all. Boo Daddy is just like me, friends of the twins. He enjoys coffee also. Over here in the breakfast area, she also has new curtain panels. These are from Amazon. If I can find them, I will link them for you. They're 96 inches. She always gets her ring clips from Walmart, and they come in a set of 8, and she has 3 different sets there for a total of 24. Then if we look here at the table, here is her pretty amber glass cake pedestal and topper that we shared with y'all in our last home decor haul. And here is the stemware that we shared also. Both items, the pedestal and the glasses, came from a thrift store, but we were lucky enough to find that cake topper in HomeSense. I believe it was like $16.99. We consider that to be one of the finds of the century. She had been looking for an amber glass cake topper. We also wanted to talk a little bit about her new credenza. This has been wonderful for storage. She has room to grow in it. It is from Tribe Signs. Now, Shonda has it here in white, but it also comes in 3 other colors to include a rustic brown, walnut, and black. It is 60 inches long, and as you can see, the most perfect thing about it is all of the storage. Well, I won't say the most perfect, because she also loves the modern sleek design of it. We'll link Shonda's credenza for you down below. They have this one as well as a nice variety of others in various sizes. Tribe Sounds is just one of those brands that is a lifestyle brand. They have a little bit of everything for both the inside and the outside of your homes. They're actually having a Christmas blowout sale right now. You can get a lot of things up to 50% off. And if you are a home decor lover and you want to buy yourself a special little Christmas gift this year, which is actually what I'm thinking about doing for myself, friends of the twins, I would love to have me a new coffee table. So I'm going to be on the lookout for one, and I'm just kind of scouting around to see who has the best deal, for what I'm looking for. Happy holidays to you all. Thank you so much for spending time with us this evening. As always, friends of the twins, you make the life that you live. You make the life that you live a life that you love, because life is short. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.